Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to create a portfolio using Elementor free plugin. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like e-commerce website, classified listing website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request to you, please visit my YouTube channel and subscribe it and get updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Okay, so let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. This is my website. If I just scroll down, then you will see very bottom of the page I have added a portfolio section. You can see this is the portfolio section which I have added with Elementor free add-on. If you click over here, then you can see the image lightbox is open. So if you want, then you can change this layout, or if you want, then you can use another layout as well. Like if you click over here, then it will open a single page. Okay, so and you can filter from here. You can see this is the ISO filter. Actually this is the category, portfolio category. So in this video I'll show you how you can add this type of imaging portfolio section in your WordPress website with Elementor free add-on. And in this case, very first you have to install a Elementor add-on. So back to the admin dashboard and scroll down, you can see this is the plugins, and very first I have to install a Elementor add-on. So click over here, add plugin, and now I can close this example website. Just close it. Okay, again go to the dashboard and just search here portfolio and image gallery for Elementor. Just type here portfolio. Okay, just scroll down, then you can see this is the portfolio for Elementor and image gallery. Okay, don't worry, I have given the add-on link in this video description. You can check it from here. So I can install it. Just click over here, install now, then activate. After install and activating the add-on, you will be redirected in this page. This is the actually add-on settings page, and you can see two option is added. You can see this is the portfolio, then another option is just here portfolio. So you have to add the portfolio from here. If you hover on it, then you can see portfolio, all portfolio will show here. Then you can add a new portfolio here and the portfolio category. So if you want, then you can add portfolio category here. Okay, so I want to add a portfolio. Just hover on it, portfolio, then click here, add new item, and portfolio title, you have to give the portfolio title here. Just I want to give here portfolio 1 only for the dummy content or the dummy portfolio only. So I want to give here, and from the right side top, set featured image, just click over here, and if you want, then you can choose image from your media library, or you can upload from here. Just click upload files, then select file, then choose from here, like I want to give this image, then open it, and from the right side bottom, and you can see here set featured image. Okay, and category, portfolio categories, already I have added some categories. So now I can check it from here, or if you want, then you can add category from here. Just add new portfolio category, then you can add from here, like I want to give here like support. Okay, so you can select from here, and just you can see this is the add new portfolio category. You can see the category is added. Okay, so I want to select it, then text. This is the portfolio title and image, and you can give text from here. Okay, I want to give like a dummy text. This is the I want to give here like portfolio 1 to dummy text, and publish it from the right side top. Now view the item and check it. Okay, this is the portfolio. Again refresh it, and now it works fine. So again go to the admin dashboard, just click here, Then portfolio, just click this portfolio where all portfolio will show. You can see already I have added this portfolio. So in this way you have to add more portfolio. Now I pause the video and I will add more 5 portfolio, then I will back again. So the same way I have added more 5 portfolio. Now currently it shows the 6 portfolio, you can see. Okay, so now I have to show it in front end. So again go to the website, and this is the portfolio page which I created. Now I want to show the portfolio here, so I have to the page with Elementor. Just click over here, edit with Elementor. Okay, click over here plus icon and take a new section, flex box. Okay, and it's perfect. Content layout will be flex box and content width will be boxed. Okay, so again I want to give just a padding. Just click this 6 dot, you can see plus icon, then 6 dot, and navigate to the advanced tab, and I want to give top padding will be like 60 and bottom padding will be 60 as well. Okay, again click this plus icon, and from the left side top, this is the add element, and search here portfolio, and you can see this is the Elementor portfolio. Just drag and drop here. Okay, you can see it works fine. Now from the left side you can see this very fast content tab is selected, and general settings, total number of project to show. If you want, then you can change it from here. Currently 12 is selected, and if you want, then you can increase it and decrease it from here. Okay, so again I want to give like 12, which is the default. Okay, and show category title filter, you can see show category filter. You can see this is the category filter. If you want, then you can deselect from here. No, then you can see the category has been removed from here. Actually I want to show the category. Okay, and show all option. You can see this is the all option. If you want, then you can hide from here. No, you can see the show is removed from here. I want to show it, and if you want, then you can change the this is the all text from here. Then navigate to the another tab, grid settings boxes. If you want, then you can change it from here. Masonry, if you want, then you can give the masonry from here. Okay, so I want to give boxes, which is the default setting, and number of columns. Currently default is 3 column. If you want, then you can change the column from here. For column I think 3 is perfect. Then the adding margin, and you can see if you can see this is the margin. Okay, so it's and to give 0 is perfect, and box height 250. If you want, then you can change the height from here. Actually I think the default setting is perfect for me. So again hover effect settings, and simple, you can see style 0 simple. Okay, if you want, then you can change the hover style from here. Like I want to give from bottom, just select it, then the hover it. You can see this is the layer which actually the hover layer comes from the bottom. Okay, and the okay, now I can publish it and check it. Then again we will change the settings from here. So go to the website and refresh this page. We just click over here. Okay, you can see it go to the single page. Okay, now again go to the editor, Elementor editor, and I want to change it. It's project link. I want to give it like image with the portfolio lightbox. I want to give it. Okay, then the publish it again, and go to the website. Just this is the preview mode. I can remove it from here, then refresh it. Okay, just click over here, and you can see it works fine like as our demo website. Okay, and you can navigate the image from here. You can see this is the arrow. Okay, you can see, and if you want, then you can filter it from here. Okay, the image is same, that's why maybe you can think it not changing. Actually it is changing, and you can see. Okay, so in this way you can add this portfolio section in your website, and you can change everything like style, hover style, and project style. You can change from here. Then the grid setting and general setting as well. I hope this video will help us to add this type of amazing portfolio in your website with Elementor free add-on. So I request to you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay with me. Thanks for watching the video.